Bharatiya Janata Party today is hitting back at Priyanka Gandhi, who went on to call the Prime Minister's roadshow a PR stunt. What is BJP's Nalin Kohli saying? Listen in.
It is obvious that Priyanka, Vadra, Gandhiji and others in the Congress party are badly rattled by the kind of groundswell and support that Prime Minister Modi ji is getting in his rallies, in his roadshows, all of it. And they are ignoring the fact that Prime Minister Modi all his life has been serving the people. His life has been dedicated only to service, serving people across India in every form and in every role that he could have had, from the ground, villages, across the country, to as the Pradhan Sevak from 2014 onwards.
Leaders of the INDIA bloc are also joining in on cue. You have Tariq Anwar of the Congress party also raising questions over Prime Minister Narendra Modi's roadshow, saying that this was not a successful roadshow. The DMK too is weighing in with another attack on the Bharatiya Janata Party. Listen in.
अगर वो पॉपुलर होते तो शायद सिर्फ नॉमिनेशन करके वापस आ जाते, लेकिन हमारे प्रधानमंत्री को काशी के लोगों पर विश्वास नहीं है और इसीलिए उनको इतनी मेहनत करनी पड़ रही है, रोड शो करना पड़ रहा है, लोगों के हाथ जोड़ने पड़ रहे हैं, क्योंकि अगर उन्होंने 10 साल काम किया होता तो मैं नहीं समझता कि उनको रोड शो की ज़रूरत होती। राहुल गांधी की पद यात्रा या भारत जोड़ो यात्रा और इनकी यात्रा में आसमान ज़मीन का फ़र्क है। राहुल गांधी पूरे देश को अपने साथ लेकर चले, समाज के हर वर्ग को साथ लेकर चले, उनसे इंटरैक्ट करते रहे, उनसे बातचीत करते रहे, लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री तो दूर से सिर्फ हाथ हिलाते हैं या कमल का निशान दिखाते हैं।
Modi filing a nomination in Varanasi today means he is filing now his nomination for the last phase, but conveniently for his convenience, for his campaign, this constituency was put in the last phase of elections just to help. The election commission had supported Modi in this. When Modi can ask Rahul Gandhi as to why he is contesting from Kerala, every people in India ask why from Gujarat Modi is filing his nomination in UP.
Pragya, the DMK today is asking that when the Prime Minister is asking Rahul Gandhi, why are you fighting elections from Wayanad, why are you fighting elections from this seat or the other, why is the Prime Minister himself not contesting from Gujarat, is the question that the DMK today is asking at a time when there's politics over the Kashi Road show.
Well, there is a difference here, and everyone would also see the difference. The fact that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has a home state in Gujarat and he had a very successful run there as well as Chief Minister. Gujarat was not a tough seat at all for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but he chose to contest from Varanasi. Out of both of the seats that he won, he chose Varanasi. He says that Varanasi is close to his heart, and he thought that, he has been chosen by Ma Ganga, and that is why he is here. And a lot of development for Kashi Vishwanath. Prime Minister believes that the cultural identity is very important. But in case of Rahul Gandhi, Wayanad seems to be a constituency that is that has significant Muslim population. And this is the allegation by BJP time and again that you always did.
प्रियंका गांधी कह रही है बदलाव आएगा और बदलाव बेहतरी के लिए आएगा, ऐसा उनकी बातों से जाहिर होता है, उनका दावा है। क्या?
All right.